Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the outer door glass on an electric Samsung range. The outer door glass helps insulate the oven so it can maintain the internal temperature while allowing you to see inside during the cooking process. You might need to change out the door glass if it's been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more videos to help you tackle all your home appliance repairs. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All we need today is a Phillips head screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your range by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. The first thing you need to do is remove the door glass and any remnants of door glass if it's been broken. In most cases, you'll need to replace the whole door glass due to breakage. You'll want to use a shop vac to get as much glass out of the way before removing the door to replace the glass. If the glass isn't broken but is being replaced due to chipping, then you won't need to clean out any glass. Once you've gotten any broken glass cleaned up, you'll need to remove the door from the unit. First, we're going to open the door all the way. There will be a swivel at the hinge that will lock the door to keep it from closing. Raise the door back until it stops. Then grab both sides of the door and lift it off the range. At the top of the inner door panel, there will be 2 Phillips head screws that you will need to remove. Now look at the bottom ridge of the door, where you'll find 3 Phillips head screws that need to be removed. There are also 3 Phillips head screws that hold the hinges to the inner door panel. You'll need to remove these screws so you can lift the inner door liner from the outer door glass. Now remove the 2 Phillips head screws that hold the door handle in place. Now go ahead and take the door handle off. Here is the new outer glass. Before putting it back in, we will clean it up. This is an optional step in the process. This is just to make sure all the dust or debris is gone. Now grab your door panel and connect the door handle. There are 2 Phillips head screws to connect the door handle to the main control panel. From there, we need to add the screw strut towers to keep the handle attached to the inner door panel. Now that you have your new outer door glass, place the glass back onto the door. After that, let's put the Phillips head screws at the bottom of the door. Now reinstall the screws at the top of the liner to hold it in place. Once the door is reassembled, you can put the door back in place. You need to slide the hinges into the slots on the rail, and then once you're in, lower the door. Then swivel the locks back into place. Just close the door and you're done. Don't forget to plug your range back in or turn that breaker back on. You made it, great job. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you haven't gotten a new door glass yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos. And of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support. We'll see you next time.